Today we are going to look at how to count numbers. We will learn a magic diagram that will help you count any numbers. Any. And there are 3 tips that will help you avoid mistakes. Okay, let's start. We have these basic numbers. R has another version, 两. We will compare 2 and 两 later. And we have 十, 百, and 千. They are digit places. What's that? Let's look at this example. How do we read this number? 5938. Easy. So 十, 百, and 千 are located behind the relevant basic numbers. Besides 十, 百, and 千, we have 2 more digit places. They are 1 and 一. Each 4-digit place is 1 group. The second group end up with 1. The third group end up with 一. And 十, 百, 千 repeatedly appear in every group. This diagram can help you count any number. For example, this one. Let's put each figure into the relevant digit place. And we have 8000, 400, 70, 10000, 3815. How about this one? Same. We put each figure in the diagram and just read it one by one. 659亿75139438. I think you get the rule. But when we take exams or in the daily life, we cannot carry this diagram all the time, right? So let's try how can we count numbers without it. 这个多少钱? Step 1. Divide the number into 3 groups. In English, 3-digit numbers form a group, but in Chinese, 4-digit numbers form a group. Step 2. Read each group separately. 6666 9999 8. Step 3. Put 1 and 一 at the end of the last 2 groups. Then we are ready to read it. 89999 6666元. Six, 8, and 9 are lucky numbers for Chinese people, so they are very frequently appear in the price. Okay, we've almost done everything. Almost. There are 3 tips we must know. Tips 1. The way to read 一. When 一 is located in the 10-digit place as the first figure, we don't read it out. Let's try this one. The first 一 located in the 10-digit place, don't read it. So it's 13. We don't say 113. No. 这辆车多少钱? We shouldn't read the first 一 because it's located in the 10-digit place as the first figure. But how about the second 一? We must read it. Although it's in front of the 10, it's not the first figure, it's in the middle. So 168,916元. 中国有多少人? The first 一 don't read. The second 一 should read. So it's 14亿1000万. Wait, why we don't read this 零? Good question. Let's move to the tips 2, the way to read 零. When 零 is at the end of a number, no matter how many there are, we don't read it out. 7000 5600万380亿. Another rule, when 0 is in the middle, no matter how many there are, we only read once. 30,047. We don't say 30,047. Never. 1,400,015. 10,009. Last tips. 2 versus 2. In front of 10, we use 2. 20, 20万, 20亿. In front of 1000, we use 2. 2000, 2000万, 2000亿. In front of 百, both 2 and 2 are correct. 200, 200, 200万, 200万, 200亿, 200亿. They are all correct. Last pair, 1 and 亿. Sometimes we use 2, sometimes we use 2. So the question became when. 2万, 2亿. When it's located at the beginning of a number, we read 2. 32万, 32亿. When it's located in the middle, we read 2. Here's the summary of 2 and 2. Mini test, how to read this number. You can find the answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. 再见。